Nothing like it, is it?
The feeling that I have right now is priceless.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Blake Family Farm, Faith from the Farm. So glad to see you guys. It's been a while. How have things been? How you been?
We've been a little bit busy, I think.
We've had vacation Bible school. We've had new animals, little this, little that, broken arms. So it's been good.
Just one broken arm.
One broken arm. Got some sun, as you can tell, a little bit of sunburn. Worked on the mower today. That was not fun. How was the hair day today?
Yeah, the hat. It's going to the hat day today.
Hat day with the goat shirt, so it's all good. So trying to catch you guys up since whenever the last video was. We've had the cement poured into the new building. We've had the house painted, the kitchen cabinets.
Painted.
It's always painted. Rebecca and I knocked that out while the kids were at the in-laws' house. So hopefully you can see some of that. So enjoy this first segment. We'll see you in a minute. So really cool. We were there recording all the cement pour, and I'm standing there with my camera, And the cement man who is controlling all the machinery says, "Hey, what are you doing?" And I said, "Well, I'm recording for a YouTube channel." And he says, "Well, you need to come up here and get like the angle from my truck from the inside." So I'm like, this is pretty cool. And so I went up to his truck and I looked down and there's a Bible in his cab. And so you'll see here in a second, I asked him about it. Then I actually, he just shares his whole testimony, how he came to Christ. And I told him, "Hey, we have faith in the farm." And I asked his permission, can I share his story? So enjoy these next few minutes. He goes from tears of joy and telling what Jesus has done for him. So enjoy this. And I thought it was really cool to see the connection of faith from the farm. Does every cement truck driver keep a Bible in his cab?
No. No, I think there may be a couple of them that keep their Bible. Instead of being on my phone all the time, I'll read my Bible.
Our channel's Faith from the Farm, so that works out pretty well.
Yes, sir. See all my controls up here. This puts all my axles in gear, all the 6-wheel drive. This is the low transfer, the red one here. That locks them all together. And my 2-way radio back to the plant. This sets the pressure for all these wheels here. And the most important thing is my lunchbox.
That's right. So you have a favorite passage?
Not really, because I'm gonna tell you everything in the Bible is special.
Yep.
I think I might have something one time, and then I'll read another passage. And, everything works together.
That's what I tell people. My favorites is Luke 24, when Jesus is on the road to Emmaus and goes, "Check this out. Look at the whole Bible." Like,
yeah,
that's my go-to.
Yeah, every day you read it, you learn something different. And you can read it today or read it tomorrow, and it may have a whole different meaning from what you understand some days.
So Ronnie, when did you come to know Christ?
Actually, I was raised in a Pentecostal church.
Okay.
I was saved at a young age of about 12 or 13. And then, as I got through high school, I kind of went astray for a while.
Okay.
And did my own thing for a little while and played music, traveled around all over the United States playing music for the world. And then I was sitting on my front porch one morning. Lord spoke to me.
That's awesome.
Said, "I've saved you and I took you a long ways. I brought you out of a lot of things." I rededicated my life and I've lived for him ever since. I was saved me from a lot of danger. I could have been killed many a time and went to hell. Now I have a good friend, family, good Christian home. My son's a pastor or a preacher. My children are all saved.
That's awesome.
I've lived for Christ most of my life, except for a few years. I was a teenager and done my own thing, thought I knew it all.
Nothing like it, is it?
The feeling that I have right now is priceless. Knowing that one day I'll be in heaven. And it's not far off now, it's not far off. Heaven is closer every day. And Satan's trying to take as many people as he can. Because his day is numbered also.
So I hope you really enjoyed that. If you're watching our channel, don't know Jesus, shoot me a message in the comment lines. I know our world is very anti-religion in a lot of ways. But if you want to know Christ like Ronnie does, like we do, I'd love to share that with you. Ronnie wasn't the only one to cry on the farm. We had some tears. Tell us what happened.
So back in May, the girls went outside playing pretty early in the morning. Whatever. We're in the back of the house. Then you hear that scream. You kind of wait for a minute to see if it's like happy scream or if it's not.
It wasn't.
This was not a happy scream. So I started running out the front door, kind of met Molly right at the front door, and she says, Natalie fell. Natalie's by this little tree that was kind of in our little first goat area, but she had learned to do these little backflips from the lower branch. And then she decided to try it higher, and it did not go so well for her. So you can't say she fell out of a tree. She will correct you and say she flipped out of a tree. But she came down pretty hard on her wrist and broke it in 2 places and bruised her cheek pretty good. But it's mostly healed, and we're now in the brace for a couple more weeks.
Oh yes, you've been able to swim with it, so things are looking up for her. Other things happened. My neighbor came and helped me take out 3 of our cedar trees that were just awful looking. Blueberries have been in season. Looks like a storm's rolling in. Got puppies in the garage. All sorts of craziness going on tonight. The garden's looking pretty good. We've had some cantaloupes. Our cantaloupes are awesome. All 2 of them that we've had. I got a few more out there, so catch up with some of this stuff and we'll see you back here. So the produce is looking awesome. Great job on the garden.
It's getting there. It's something.
We're just glutton for punishment. We've added 4 more animals, 2 sheep, 2 more goats to the farm. The sheep are Katahdins. They are a hair sheep. We were down with the kids at Disney World, and they kind of said they're easy to maintain, so definitely about that. And we've also added 2 more goats, so another baby and a mom. Not related, but 2 more girls to the farm. Also had some fish born. Is it born? Had spawned?
Sure.
Whatever. If you know what that means, having
We're
fish.
not planning this. This had nothing to do with that stuff.
No.
We used to see baby fish in the pond.
In our pond, we have 7. I think I counted 7 baby fish the other day, so pretty cool. Hopefully some koi and goldfish. So pretty awesome. Anyway, check out the animals. This is one of our last segments, and we'll come back and say goodbye. But here's some more animals on the farm. Well, that pretty much catches you up from the Blake Family Farm. A lot of stuff going on. One thing we did forget, Vacation Bible School. We did a farm theme this year. Made life easy, kind of. The guys in the church,
for easy, right?
the guys and ladies at our church redid the flooring the week before. It was crazy. But I want to show you a couple pictures from our Vacation Bible School. We had a massive turnout. We almost doubled our numbers from last year. I think we had 68 kids at our little church. So a great time. And hopefully you can join us back here at the Blake Family Farm real soon. Hopefully our videos will come a little bit shorter span of time. In the meantime, anything else you want to say?
Nope.
All right. We'll see you guys back here at the Blake Family Farm. Have a great night. See you soon.